guys, my name is Michael and this is
Cody.
Today's video we're going to be going back and reviewing each bike and seeing if they still work because they were ordered off Amazon and I think all of them are from China. So let's fire it up. Well, that one clearly still works just fine. We even smoked up the garage now. So,
and it's a two-stroke.
Yeah, this one is a two-stroke. It was like $300 online. Not too bad at all. Seeing how we've had it for over a month now, still runs fine. That's the first time it's been started for a while too, so it started right up, guys. On to the next one. Alright guys, we decided to just leave the garage door open because the room's filling up with smoke. We're on to the Tao. Remember guys, when you have bikes like this, you need to tighten your bolts often. Because we just grabbed this and the muffler was falling off of it. Marissa was riding it all day yesterday. So, we think one of the bolts came loose from the vibration. So go ahead and start her up.
That answers your questions. They do wheelies.
Your 250 did wheelies.
Oh yeah, you'll see that later.
Yeah, it still runs just fine. Just make sure you guys tighten up the bolts if you do decide to get one. And what is it? The suspension in this one, Pacific, is very, very bad. Uncomfortable.
But this bike and my bike get the most use.
And my bike.
I think this bike gets road more.
Maybe.
Honestly. Because she does try to sneak down here and ride it a lot.
I know she does sneak down here. Alright, on to the blue bike we're giving away in a video. Okay guys, here's the blue bike that we're giving away in a video. It's a 125cc.
Pretty dusty.
It's pretty dusty because we haven't been using it because we want to keep it in decent condition for whoever wins it. So make sure we get to 1,000 subscribers soon guys. And like this video, comment down below everything. Push the video. Yeah, go ahead and start her up. Do you miss her?
A little bit.
Yeah, they all run and start, guys. We're just showing a little example real quick that they all still work. We haven't had a single problem besides with Cody's bike because he wrecked it so many times and Austin wrecked it.
I didn't wreck my bike.
Yeah, you did.
Just once. I didn't hurt it.
But yeah, this is the bike we'll be giving away, and we can go ahead and put that one back up. What is it? Oh yeah, we're gonna ride on the other two for a video. Show you guys what they actually ride and stuff. And that one will do a wheelie. Cody has done a wheelie on it before.
On this one?
Yeah, you have.
Oh yeah, quick time.
Alright guys, and this is the bike I've been riding. It's a 125cc X Pro.
I would sit on this one too, but I'm not allowed.
Yeah. Yeah, Cody's allowed to sit on it, but
no, it's not a two-stroke.
it's a 4-stroke semi-automatic. I don't know why I love it so much, but I do. But yeah, Cody's gonna get his bike out and do some wheelies for you guys real quick. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll get right into that. Alright guys, here's Cody's bike. It's 250cc X Pro. Someone in the comments was asking if it can do wheelies. That would be a yes. Cody's about to do some for you guys, so hope you guys enjoy. And that'll probably be it for us, besides these clips he's about to do for you guys. But please like, comment, and subscribe. I know I said it before because it's because you're not listening. That's why I have to repeat myself. So we're just going to get into it.
And I am new at Willie's, so
He is new at wheelies.
don't judge. Oh yeah guys, we forgot about the go-kart that we bought on Amazon. It's also Chinese, it doesn't run, and they haven't given my money back, so we're filing a claim on that one. But yeah. There's a dog in the road, guys. Sorry. Oh, don't hit that doggy. Alright, you're good.
Can my dirt bike do wheelies?
They all run, bro.
Toodles.